Tell them say be and there for the war commission. They she don't for a phone. They drink their mimbo day. She don't so about 3 hours. They call them. They say so that be they don't go down menji. They carry me. They can't pass inside the wall. As a division of the wall, special branch where they call it St. Lawrence. It talks say this guy they so you know see which way this guy don't do. Now better leave the me go in. Emmanuel insists say if you know take the man rich for camp, I go key.
Which of the man will be that one?
Now Fimasha is small brother. I don't know me country name. So special branch not be getting no option with other boys them. So far as Emmanuel has small Fimasha is small brother. They carry me today. They cross, they claim to they reach at Tula. They come out Tula, they tell me go down for coup. I want to go for coup. A whole crowd of red dragons so that they be packed for the more than 60. As they bring me the people for they reach today, they reach today where they run time and I will black clothes. As they move me on top machine, they put me handcuff inside for my hand them.
Yes, I don't see, I just don't wait a moment I'll interrupt you. I don't see some ratchets them all over your body and everything. If you try to explain for we, where to these ratchets them?
This one not be ratchets, this one a handcuff way. Fontem Christopher alias Triple Neuf, he lock him, he press him so he enter inside my meat. This one so, and then this one so. Now so handcuff where he press him, and then he boil and will collapse. He boil and will collapse, and then for food them. Now they boil my food will collapse. They beat me will collapse so my food will explode for under. All sides, even this one. They all this side and so, and then where you look here, you will see an example for cutting of collapse way. If not, I say na mixing like a collapse will cut all my food them. All the
yes, I don't oversee mark them and I see bullet them. They say maybe we go war before you go get bullet. If you explain for you now war you go before you go get this bullet the way I see I'm so for your back so.
This bullet wey you see for my back so, na bullet wey we use for the use am. Ekelebe na dey use kind bullet. Na our own normal bullet and that way, my own brother dey decide to kill me. Ekelebe na use that kind bullet. I get a mark wey concern Ekelebe bullet wey e dey na for my foot. This place so na Ekelebe kind bullet this way e tear man, either e enter bus or e tear you. So na tilapia he wound tilapia. They go say don't leave. Ye with amigo when I feed my share small brother, that amigo this is an Abelza berries, and then you get Fontem Christopher, and then you tilapia. They plenty for that place, but now 6 people. That way they beat me, they kill me for that. They start beating me. They interrogate me say I can't keep feed my share. Say me I'm a man who so that they will decide say if we feel whole Grand Prix school. Like I was for Kifi Masha. Now yeah, I ask and say, Grand Prix school. Now my brother me I define a one struggle. Fi Masha, now my grand will find a one struggle. And now yeah, now me I make am before Fi Masha even know Kupe Manungu but still go they go court mercy. But still they go arrange it. And then why kind of fight it? That one, you never even look them. They probably say they want just
yes.
Me.
So, but they might ask you one question because all information for social media,
yes,
you don't indicate you don't die. Even your woman self, you know, say you don't die. So, what if you tell the people them? If you talk for the dead for today, and you tell the people them say you see they are alive, so that this news go spread all over social media, but no say see they are alive.
Today, na 7th of February, I see they are alive. From the 10th of January, so today, it can go 1 month. As soon as I see me, I don't start better, small, start to talk. That means I still there alive. Concerning my family, especially my woman, I don't say, they always blame me in any way. Because for more than 1 year, they follow me. A lot of people come inside, move me from my house on 18th of November 2017. I live with my long belly. So today, I never see the woman. The woman be born through operation. You can see die for October 2018, I not see even their body. I not even know who say way my family day. But wait here, I know that say I want my family knows that they alive. Mama knows that they alive. I don't die.
Thank you for that message. Yeah, I want to ask you another question because it is now for social media. Say it be innocent. Now of the people them where we really need to know the people the way they really betrayed you before you get all the kind of injuries and for your skin. If we know the people them from the BLM division.
Yes, I know in Dumbe when I go buy a common jet. A son called Lawrence when I for me King. Tilapia knew when I'm a blood brother from family. Amigo. Emmanuel, when I feel my child is small brother, I don't know me other name. And the people that I know the way they be stick on for Kiwi.
And where they shoot you bullet.
I wait that one they not shoot. That Tilapia you one, they shoot me 3 bullets from my back.
Now I give you that marks then for your skin.
Now it can for you, it's a where we shoot me 5 bullets. It enter my heart. As they be shoot so they dance, they don't catch the tiger.
What will be the last word? Or if it tell the population for your situation, because your situation they all over media. Say don't die.
What here I fit tell Amazon people them the Bangwa man in general. I see they alive, but the rampant killing way our brother and the key civilian up there done too much. If the interim government did not do something concerning this matter, stop all this kind of killing. Like I should say, after this struggle, family them again will see carry on the fight against another family them. Because for me, they say I'm a betrayer for this struggle. I don't work with them from the beginning. They follow them, say them a betrayer. Alas, they must go die for Bamenda. They follow Mbengu, they kill Mbengu just the beginning of March 2017. I get all that in my head. From my own scene, for inside where I look for this Walibi Alem land. If you look inside Red Dragon, you know, see no band where come Menji, where it inside this struggle as a big man. And when I'm Menji, if anything happen today for inside the BLM, any foundation, as even Red Dragon is succeed today, like a Menji make the solid foundation for this struggle. Oh, that one. See, and then for all this struggle, when I did see they said Red Dragon say it be super. Another deny said they try their best, but they did forget for no say. Now me, I bring some people them from the hinterland where they can jack Red Dragon in hand for up for some night fight will become a second fight. But today, the Red Dragon said they want to kill me, say I be betrayer.
Wow.
For this struggle.
Wow, yeah. We thank you for your message. We will send your message across the world. For the world, make it know say you still there alive, and we thank God for your life and we thank God for your family. May God bless you. The message will go through around social media, website, and all websites. Thank you. May God bless you, Super D. You will stay long because for pass through this kind of stress, they not kill you and you still be alive. Will be very happy for that.
Maybe this one will kill me again. If you gonna never kill me, I'm not sure. The simple malaria will kill me.
Thank you. Bye.